Hello, Phil Thompson from streamingchurch.tv. Today we're going to show you how to do the trim video tool, how to use it, I should say. And by the way, thanks for using streamingchurch.tv for all your streaming video needs. So you might want to trim a video. You've used the auto DVR, and it's up on the on-demand server, but before you put it in the media vault, you want to trim the beginning or maybe trim off the end for various reasons. Let's go to recordings, go to trim video file, and I'm going to click the little drop down here, and I'm going to find a video that I want to trim here. And just for your information, I used to work with this church, and so I take my liberty to harass them. All right, so this is loaded up. I've selected a video. It's loading up, and it's playing right now in this player. And that's okay. You want it to play. Right now, these are slides, and you're going to get announcements. I'm going to cut all that off and just get to the sermon. How do I do that? Well, I want to bypass the slides. I'm going to move this up so you can see all the controls here. I'm going to take the scrubber right over here. And while the video is playing, it's important that it keeps playing. I'm going to go past all of the music and get into the announcements. And I want to get past the announcements in the beginning of the sermon. So go here. Jason's making announcements. I'm going to go right here. He's almost done. He's almost done. Oh, there it is. So these guys make it easy because they have a slide at the beginning of their message. So I marked it at 2031. And that's important to know. And let the video keep playing. And now I'm going to take the start mark and I'm going to drag it over here to 2031, or at least close to that. That's good enough. Now, let's say I want to cut off the end of this. Maybe he's preached and there's other announcements or something. I want to cut off the end. How do I cut off the end? Well, there he is. He's going. Corey's going. I'm going to go ahead and take the scrubber and I'm going to go to all the way over to where he ends. And where does he end? Probably somewhere around right in here. He's praying. I'm sure he's going to stop any moment now. And the worship team's up there. Once he's done, I want to go ahead and mark it. So let's see where we're at here. He's going. Apologize. Takes a little while for me to do this. And there he is. He's done. So at 101:07 is where he stopped. Now the video's still playing. Don't worry about that. But I marked it at 101:07. Now I'm going to take the stop mark and I'm going to drag it. And you see the little mark in orange there, 107. I want 101, 1 hour and 1 minute is where I'm looking for. Let's see here, making all these noises, and that's close enough. Good enough. So that's where it starts. I'm going to cut off and get to 2029. I'm going to cut off here. Hit trim video, and you'll see it says wait. If you can see that or not, processing video. This may take a few moments. So again, if the file is large, it might take a while to actually trim it. But once it trims it, it will tell you that. And then from there we goes. Now it's done. So here's the message, okay? And you'll notice that this file, this was the name of the file I chose. Now the file is called the same thing, except it says trim.mp4 at the end instead of that. So that's how you know it. All right, and so you can go back and you can go ahead and select it from your recordings. There's a help video for that, but you can go to recordings and then you can go to select previously recorded, and from there it's going to take a while to do this, so I probably won't get there because for the sake of time, but it will pop up and you can select it, and then you can go through the process of adding it to your on-demand media vault and add the image and all that good stuff. So if you have any questions on that, there it is. So it's already up there. This is what I just did. So I can select that. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I can select it, and from there, life will be good. So questions, just email us support@streamingchurch.tv. Have yourself a great day.